Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 Jeep Compass and I will show you which fuse to check in case your power locks are not working. This video will apply to Jeep Compasses made from 2011 all the way up to 2017. So the fuse I'm about to show you is responsible for both these power lock buttons here, and also in case the power lock buttons on your key fob are not working. The power locks fuse will be located in the main fuse box under the front hood, which is located right here. Now to open this box, you will have two black clips on this side. So what you want to do, you want to press them at the same time and leave the cover straight up. On the back side of the cover you will have a small fuse diagram which can also help you out. And the fuse you want to check, it's fuse number 10, which is a 20 amp yellow fuse located right here, and this is your power locks fuse. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.